You need to start on TikTok, and here's why. TikTok is rolling out a new feature, which is TikTok Shop, and it's a great way for you to earn money from TikTok. TikTok will let brands, content creators, or influencers display and sell products directly on TikTok. This TikTok update is huge because TikTok Shop means that people can buy products directly from the TikTok app, and it's another way that brands and content creators can earn money from TikTok. Okay, so how does TikTok Shop even work? When a brand sets up TikTok Shop, they will have a dedicated shopping page connected to their TikTok profile, which is represented by the shopping bag icon. When consumers select the shopping bag tab, they can browse all the items that are promoted on TikTok Shop, and they can purchase directly from TikTok. Many brands like Kylie Cosmetics have built their brands using social media, so it makes so much sense to give consumers the option to shop directly on TikTok, and it's a way for brands to earn money from TikTok. But the big question is, how can brands promote TikTok Shop and grow their brand on TikTok? Well, brands can partner with content creators or influencers who can help promote their product or service on TikTok. So whether you're a brand, a content creator, or an influencer, there's two really powerful ways with how you can earn money from TikTok, and I'm going to share them with you right now. Number one, with how to earn money from TikTok are TikTok live shopping events. So how this works is that a brand would pay a content creator or an influencer to host a live shopping event on TikTok where they're actually promoting the product or service to their audience. What I love about a live shopping event on TikTok is that people can interact in real time. So they can leave a comment, they can ask questions, they can chat to other people that have joined the live shopping event as well. It's a really interactive experience. Don't you think this is so much more of a better shopping experience because people can actually see a demonstration of how to use the product or service? Plus, when people click on the link, they're directed back to the TikTok Shop on the brand's profile page of TikTok. This is a really powerful way with how you can earn money from TikTok, whether you're a brand, content creator, or influencer. I'm just going to interrupt my own video and give you a TikTok pro tip as well. I think it'll be really valuable for you. So if you're a brand and you're looking to work with a content creator on TikTok, one way that you can find a creator is that you can actually search for videos on TikTok and use the hashtag ad. And if you are a creator on TikTok and you're working with a brand, make sure that you use hashtag ad so that you are being transparent with your audience about working on a paid partnership. Now, let's get back to the video. Number two, with how to earn money from TikTok, TikTok sponsored posts. Brands can collaborate with content creators or influencers on TikTok who can help promote their product or service on TikTok in exchange for a fee. Just like with this content creator here, where she reviews different products and she's working with Dyson to promote the Dyson vacuum cleaner. This TikTok video has been filmed by the content creator who's then posted it to their TikTok profile, which is different to the previous example because that was a live streamed event. Now, the big value for the brand with working with a content creator or an influencer is that they not only get access to the creator's audience, but because the video is posted to the creator's TikTok profile, it means that the partnership has longevity. So people can go to the creator's profile and still see that that video is there and explore more about the brand. This is a big way with how content creators and influencers can earn money from TikTok by working with brands, and how brands can also earn money from TikTok by promoting their product or services on TikTok. You now know the two TikTok tips with how to grow on TikTok and earn money from TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend that you check out the TikTok algorithm video where I share 3 TikTok tips and tricks with how you can grow on TikTok. See you next time.